Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to you all! Let me introduce myself. My name is Aurellya Zahra from sekolah Global Mandiri Jakarta. You might just get curious about what is Zoom fatigue. Well, it is tiredness, worry or burnout that is related to the cause of virtual platform of communication. I know, online learning is boring. We need to be forced to look in front of a screen to learn something at school. And it's been a year to learn like this. 1 in 7 women and 1 in 20 men in the world are suffering Zoom fatigue. It's really stressful, right? People that suffer from Zoom fatigue feel drained, cranky, or even feel unproductive. If we don't prevent it as soon as possible, it can lead to anxiety or even depression. So that's why I am here to tell you guys how to prevent this really tiring fatigue. First, we need to avoid multitasking. After a decade of research, Stanford psychologist has discovered that multitasking is not only affects memory, but it also makes simple tasks more harder and more taxing. Second, we need to take breaks. It's okay and it's necessary to take a break because your brain needs to rest from that long meeting. If you still have school or you still have college, use the break time to do light exercises, drink water, or even talk to your parents if they're available. Third, we need to do exercise. On weekends, we don't have anything to do. Just try exercise in your lifestyle. It's really effective to relieving stress. Even just going out, taking some fresh air, or going for a walk, or riding a bike at a park, it also counts as a light physical exercise. Last but not least, eating healthily and sleep well. Eating healthily can reduce risk of diet-related diseases. There are a lot of evidence showing how food affects our mood and how eating healthily can improve this. Not only that, and it's really important to get enough amounts of sleep. Minimally 10 hours of sleep. If we still feeling tired or sleepy, just take a nap, at least 1 until 2 hours of sleep. See, I told you, there are a lot of things that we can do to prevent Zoom fatigue. That's all my speech. I hope this can be useful for all of us. Thank you for your attention, good morning, and thank you.